Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a REDMI Pad 2 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. To download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by tapping on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Following that, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Redmi and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Redmi, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access them. Then tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in the pop-up. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And click on Receive button to connect. Then wait. Then close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!